Welcome, my favorite coder cats and coder kittens. Today we are going to talk on Coder Kitty Decoded about GetAlpha and SetAlpha. These two little things go kind of hand in hand. It is GetAlpha, and then you specify a side. We'll say side 1. You could go with all sides if it's going to be the same all over, but we'll start with side 1. And then SetAlpha. This version of the command only works for the specific piece that the script is inside, but you set the amount, 0.5 we'll say, and which side, or all sides. So we click it. I did one little thing wrong. As you see, it did turn to half transparent, but what I did wrong was not giving a way to say this. Say 0, comma, string. You're already familiar with say by this point. The string casts whatever follows in the form of text. This would normally turn out a floating point variable, but that allows it to be treated as a string. Right there it tells you the alpha is 0.5. If you have more than one piece to deal with, we will say set LinkAlpha, and we need to add a new variable. 1, which in this case is the link number, and we're going to set it to entirely transparent. And there it goes. Let us change that to 2 and the alpha level to 1. Save. And now it's entirely visible there. So there you go. Get and set alpha, simple little commands. Another one to add to your toolbelt. They don't have a lot of arguments for them, so they don't need a lot of attention in this series, but there you go. Come back next week for another Coder Kitty Decoded, where I will talk about a specific command or set of extremely closely connected commands. And also, don't forget to tune in to Coder Kitty's workshop, where every lesson is a project and every project is a lesson. So that's it. Till next week, good day, good luck, happy coding. Meow.